In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to interact with the search posts of our social procurement members. Being a social procurement member yourself, you will definitely also get this support by our community. So as an example, I just took a search post here, which is from 𝙄𝙢𝙥𝙤𝙧𝙩 for stamping suppliers that she was looking for Mexico. By the way, one of the best running search posts ever so far, which created something like almost 10,000 impressions. So what can we do now to support her in order to gain more reach? First of all, we have the like button. Now, of course, we can just give a normal thumbs up or something like that, but there is indication that support or love or something like that will have a bit more expansion in reach. So basically, if we really want to do Catherine a favor, we actually put the support here. Now, what definitely creates more reach is if we post a meaningful comment under the search post itself. Why do I say meaningful? Because if we just say great post or something like that, there is a strong indication that the algorithm will actually say, well, this is just a kind of a favor or something like that, and it's not going to really help much. Therefore, we should really make something serious and, for example, say, can someone from my network help to find the right supplier? For example, that can be a meaningful comment. Now, even better is if, for example, you know a supplier, whether it is a company or a person, and you actually just reference it. So as a quick example, I just gonna reference one of our other members here. So for example, I start typing Stefan. And now, for example, you see that we could go for this Stefanini AI and basically reference this company. So can Stefanini AI manufacture this part? And I can, of course, also just use a name of a person. So, for example, at Julie, can you help? This both will trigger the attention of either the Stefanini AI or of Julie, and they are actually coming to check on the post itself, and this will actually help the possibilities or get the possibilities to solve the problem. Now, this is what would be a meaningful comment. I'm of course not referencing the persons now because otherwise they might react on an old post. So this is the support and the comment one. Even more important is not to use the share function. Now, by the share function, I could basically reshare and make Catherine's post my own post. And while intuitively this will be the biggest support you can provide to someone, in LinkedIn, that's obviously not the case. So it's not like Twitter, where the shared function is very valuable. The shared function is very invaluable and will actually reduce the reach of the post a lot. So therefore, because we want to do Catherine a favor, we are definitely not going to share. And then, of course, there is here also the send function. With the send function, you can actually send the post straight away to a specific person by direct message. That's also a possibility. It's not really expanding reach, but it will point the person straight to that post. So basically, that's how you can interact with posts. And of course, we shall support each other in the social procurement community in order to make sure that our posts are running fast and quickly and that we are giving each other's hints. And therefore, it makes quite some sense if we actually support the posts of others by interacting with them, because that's what's going to give them reach. Hope that helps, and see you again soon.